Hey guys, so I just got my streamlight TLR-IS. It's the flashlight for my Glock 21. I'll be adding this to the Glock. I'm going to go and also get a red dot for my Glock. I'll let you guys see how it is once I get it. I'm also going to get it installed at Bass Pro Shops. They have a deal where you can, if you buy a gun from them or a red dot, they can install it on your gun. So I'm definitely going to take advantage of that. Make sure it's on correctly, and stay tuned. I'll show you guys how everything goes once it's on the gun. So this is a streamlight I got at Bass. Really like this one. Just got here at Bass, and I'm gonna get my Holosun 407C X2 installed onto my Glock 41. Can't wait. I'll show you guys the aftermath. Okay guys, I just got back from Bass and got the Holosun installed. Like I said, at Bass, if you buy a gun and you buy the red dot, you could get it installed there for free. And just wanted to say the guy Ben at the gun counter installed it. He did an amazing job. Looks absolutely amazing. So you the other side, and great work. Again, it was a Holosun, and it was this one. It was the display. That's the only ones they had available for my Glock. So really excited on that. Can't wait to try it out at the range, get it sighted, and so now I'm going to get the streamlight installed. Can't wait. I'll show you guys once I'm done installing it. I'm really excited for that. Can't wait to see how it looks on the Glock 21. Okay guys, so I just installed the streamlight, and here is the final look on it. Oh my god. Look at that Holosun and the streamlight on it. I'm going to turn it on so you guys can see. Look at that. Boom. Super bright. And on top of that, that red dot. I'm going to get it sighted tomorrow at the range. Amazing gun. Look at that. Oh my god. So happy on how it came out. Finally got all the attachments and so happy. Just turn that off. Boom, like that. And it's good to go. Guys, so I'm showing you guys how to get the fastest reloader. It's the tactical systems brand. So I'll be showing you guys how to use this for reloading my ammunition to the magazine. So Okay guys, I'll show you again how this works. I already have the magazine in here. We're just going to stick like a couple bullets in here. So I'll show you. Like 2 or 3 bullets, as you can see. Push it down. Put that in here. Just going to push that down real good. And it has bullets in it. I guess that one came out, but I mean, it does work real well. About 5 bullets in there, but I mean, you can just put as much as you want and make sure you push it down really well, and it'll go. No complaints. I like it a lot. And this is the Elite systems. Real good. Recommended. You guys spend minutes or even hours reloading all the time. Really good. So you can like it's line, red tag, and the streamlight. Hey guys, so just finished getting the red dot aligned, and I want to give a big shout out to Elite Tactical Systems for the reloader. It took me so much less to reload the magazines, and yeah, overall I just wanted to show you guys some different groups. Everything was accurate. Headshots, got some body shots there. Everything was well on target. I aimed for, head, some of the body shots. So I guess you can see one right there as well at the arm. Aimed for that just to see if I was off, and no, everything was on point. That was one of the, first tries, so it was off a little bit. Just got it adjusted, but overall, great work with the red dot, and it's all ready. It's ready for carry. Alright guys, so thanks again for watching, and subscribe, like if you like the video. Thanks again.